Alright guys, so today we're going to be making one of the favorite sauces that I really like eating. It's called ginger scallion sauce, and for those of you who don't know, this sauce is traditionally served in Chinese barbecue restaurants alongside poached chicken. It tastes really good, and honestly, it can be served with anything. You can serve it with like noodles, you can serve it with fried rice, you can serve it with just anything. Well, I'm going to be showing you how to make this special kind of sauce, and hopefully you'll learn something today.
To make the ginger scallion sauce, you really only need 4 ingredients: ginger, scallion, salt, oil. The first thing that you do is to peel the ginger. Make sure none of the ginger skin is left on it after you finish peeling it. Afterwards, chop the green scallions. Make sure you chop it into small pieces of approximately an inch or so. Since we are putting this in a blender later, the smaller the better, but we don't have to chop it too small. Do the same thing for ginger. Next, you place the sliced ginger inside the blender and then mince it very well. Afterwards, you take the chopped scallion and then place it inside another blender. You could also reuse the blender that you used for the ginger, but since we had 2 blenders, we just decided to use the other one. You then mix the ginger and the scallion together, add some salt, and afterwards, blend them.
Right.
Make sure that there aren't any big chunks stuck to the sides of the blender. Afterwards, you heat a pan and fill it with oil. The amount of oil that you add in the pan depends on the amount of scallions and gingers that you chopped. In this case, just use your best judgment. After about 5 minutes on medium heat, the oil should be hot enough. Now it's time to mix the oil, scallions, and ginger together. For this step, you want to place the scallion and ginger mix inside a bigger bowl. This is because when you pour the oil on top of the mix, it will start to simmer and steam. Wait for the scallion ginger sauce to cool down, and afterwards, stir it well. And there you go, scallion ginger sauce.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.